He's running his natural habitat. We'll pump it up. Oh yeah. What's up guys? So welcome back to the channel. Firstly, we just want to kick it off by saying we are going to be heading up. G-Wagon. Woo! G-Wagon. G-Wagon, G-Wagon, G-Wagon. Yo. Come on, pump it up, Stain. So Stain is busy mounting a tether, if you want to call it, for the GoPro. Because last time Stain mounted the 360 camera and it fell off of the car.
That wasn't me. That was you.
Yeah, that was me. I kind of messed up with the long ass rig that was on the camera. It didn't quite work out, so it actually came off here and actually a little knock there, but nonetheless,
caffeine.
Yeah boy, hype energy for
Don't
the
litter.
Yeah, don't litter, throw it in the door there, boy. Anyway guys, so we are going to be heading up to Franschhoek Pass today. Hopefully Stain will be able to keep his cool. As you know, Matt and Stain aren't usually so calm in the passenger seat. But anyway, long story short, we're going to be heading up here. We're actually going to give you guys a little bit of a pure sound video. A lot of you guys have been asking for it, so yeah, we're going to be mounting up the cameras, all the microphones and stuff, and then we will be heading out and taking Big Old Blue up the mountain. Not to frighten anybody, but the last time I was up here I kissed the barrier. Hopefully this one doesn't
Hopefully. Don't start.
hopefully this one runs smooth, but we're gonna take it easy, just have some fun, and yeah, bring you guys a cool little video, and yeah, pretty much enjoy the view. Also, I don't know if there's gonna be any rain. This is Cape Town and weather's unpredictable, but let's just go. So guys, we're just making a quick stop. Reason being, Big Ol' Blue, the last time we were here, I had a very close call actually. Too close for my liking. But anyway, I'm actually walking to the spot. So
That's a drop.
so yeah, I think where's the blue marks are still here. Actually, we saw it now as we passed. Yep, yeah, they are. There's the blue marks. Here we go. Big Ol' Blue left its mark somehow. So yeah, that wasn't me. That bend was not me. I just grazed the bumper here relatively. If this barrier basically gave in, it's pretty much going right through here to nothing. So yeah guys, always be careful. Don't be an idiot like I am. I'm taking it, but yeah, taking it slowly now, not going as fast as I did last time, but yeah, it's a lot of fun until shit hits the fan. But yeah, it is what it is. Mr. Photographer, how you doing? A bit cold. How's the nerves you're holding up?
Yeah, I was just a bit nervous coming into this corner, but all doing alright.
Oh yes, the last time Big Ol'
We made
Blue.
it further than the last time.
Yeah,
So.
the last time we were standing exactly the same spot.
Literally.
Nah, jeez, unbelievable. I think we'll throw in the clip there, a little impact. And the park. But this time Big Ol' Blue looks a lot better. It's sitting a lot nicer. Woof, that's good. Alright, let's hit the road. And it's not going as planned. Bloody suction cup doesn't want to stick. Such is life. At least we got a good view while I'm busy out pumping.
My turn. We had to stop again.
Why?
Big Ol' Blue's empty again.
It's a never-ending story. Always busy refueling.
This car doesn't know what fuel consumption is. Well, it does because it owns it.
It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. So
man.
before Franschhoek Pass, we popped in 400 bucks.
Yeah.
Now we finished Franschhoek Pass, we popped in another 300 bucks. All about that lightweight. Keeping it lightweight.
Light fuel and hoping we get home. Okay, so we stopped on the top of Franschhoek here. Wait, let me just show you guys this. a sunset. Ruan is somewhere all the way down there. I'm gonna go see if I can get him. The running man. Don't know what he wants to do. Get in, get in, get in! Let's go, go, go! Welcome back, sunshine.
Definitely misjudged the decline.
Sorry about that first ball.
Face.
It's late, it's dark.
You were supposed to turn it the other way around, but anyway. Anyway, yeah, so we back finally. After refueling twice, I'm going to refuel a third time now. This was actually a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the little... Well, we tried to do a...
Pure sound video.
But half of it... Most of the time we try to actually get the suction cup working again. The same suction cup that let me down with the 360 camera. Anyway, I think we're gonna call it a night. For some reason I'm very tired. No? You too. Still got the chance to drive Big Old Blue again. Enjoy.
Short shift is a bitch to get used to, but yes, it was a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun. But yeah, I think that's about it. We'll kick it off again this weekend. Got something planned. So next week we'll be dropping some cool content. But yeah, it's time for me to head home. It's time for Stain to go edit. Till the next one, please do not forget to... What's the word?
Like, subscribe, and tell your friends it's the best channel on YouTube.
Once, as it is. Cheers, guys.